All right, here we go. This is Udow. This is a great chart to learn from. This is the 3-minute chart. So, the market's been topsy-turvy today. It went up big, fell. And right now, it's going down all the categories here. Dow, NASDAQ, S&P, Russell. So let's take a look at it. This gets no action. No one's really trading the Udow. Sometimes maybe if the market gets really volatile. So when you have this big move up, so this low was 108.06. Goes to 108.75. Now it pulls all the way back to this line. I'm playing these quarter lines here. That's how you're playing it if you're trading whatever lines. Now you can play for the breakout, the next line. If you go back to this line, it might be too low, but it does put in wicks. But it's right on this line, so that's a good line to play, 108.50. So you're playing along there. Now as you're going up, maybe you take profit here. It's one candle. A lot of times I wait. I want to see a second at least, and then it goes up again. And here is the move here. I'm out, and actually that's not the short. Short's right here. So I'm out right here. So long, sell, and here's the short. Now you're seeing what it's doing right here. Red. If you put your hand right here, you have another red. And then right here, you're going down again. And look where you're at. So you're very overbought on a quick move up. Now you're coming down. It's a wedge right here. First green. Now, it's not here. See the green right here? It's not here because you're red over white. You're engaged, already crossed over. That's not turning up right there. This is starting to turn at the bottom of the move right here. So 109. You go up here. That's a nice little long. Now, it was only, 25 cents here, but then it came down very fast. So on a move like that, that strong of a candle, you would get out. Now you're waiting to see what you're doing next. Now, if you look at this way, what are you doing? You're going this way. There's a green. We're going up. Now you're still going down from that stochastics level. And then you go across, and here's the short, 109. Excuse me. So 109, you confirm this candle. There's no green after this. You're going lower each time. And then draw your line right here from this wick. You can actually draw it here too. But so you can see once this happens, then you even fade further. You can get even down here. So about 109, you're going down this trend line all the way down. Now you're starting to come up a little bit of yen. So that's your move. So nice long, short, long, and then short. Now you don't have to catch all these moves. Maybe one or two. Now it's very volatile. So how many moves that? 1, 2, 3, 4 moves right now on Udow. This doesn't happen already at that much volatility. But this is how you play this. Now this is the 3-minute. It'll change if you play the 5-minute, 10-minute. But that's what you're looking for. You come up here, overbought. Here's the short. It's not here. It's not here. You see, because your red is clearly overweight. It's just straight down. It's perfect. Then you're getting oversold, and then you're starting to come up. Now it depends how much you come up. And then there's a red candle. And then you're seeing this, maybe this comes up right here. It doesn't. High's getting lower. You really drop, and there's the short right here. And this is higher price stock too. So even if you're down a quarter, it's not much. It's not like panic. You lost your whole account here. So this is a great lesson to learn on how to trade intraday, day trading, the 3-minute. And this is an ETF, so it's even easier than a penny stock. So check it out, Udow. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trades on YouTube.